how to add a new location on Google Maps. So if you want to add a new location on Google Maps, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Google Maps at first. After opening your maps, now you just need to simply go and select place. Tap and hold on to a place and you will drop a pin, right? Once you've dropped the pin, you just need to simply swipe and then you will have add label option. Tap on add label and enter a custom name. After entering a custom name, go with save, and that's it. Your place has been set. Or you can also just go back, go with your profile, which is on the top right, and then you'll have an option of add a missing place. Or if you don't find the option, then you can go with contribute, which is on the bottom, and tap on add place. After that, enter the place name, the category, the address, and then select the place and enter location located within. And then if you want to add more details like hours, contact number, website, and everything, and after adding all of the information, you can go with submit and a new location will be added on Google Maps. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.